By mid-2026, the traditional 100% paper-based IELTS test will no longer be offered. Computer-delivered testing is becoming the mandatory baseline standard worldwide. There is only one exception. IELTS is unbundling the exam to offer a writing on paper modular option in select markets for specific candidates. That option does not apply to everyone. If you are taking the test for UK visas and immigration, your exam remains strictly digital. The English proficiency standards remain the same, but because the delivery method has transitioned to a digital-first model, you will need to update how you interact with the test materials. The updates rolling out this year go beyond the screen. Pencils are now banned in favor of black ballpoint pens, and examiners are using updated training to identify memorized answers. This creates a new requirement for your preparation. You are no longer just booking a test date. You have to choose a testing medium that aligns with your specific technical skills. If you are a slow typist and select a full computer test, your band score can drop because of the interface, despite excellent English. To maximize your score and navigate these environmental changes, you need to build a personalized 2026 IELTS configuration profile. This comparison table lays out the facts. In 2026, English proficiency is the foundation, but your score is also tied to how well you navigate the test's format and constraints. Let's look at the physical reality of the new computer testing labs. You'll share a room with dozens of candidates taking the exam simultaneously. This setup introduces environmental factors you must plan for, such as the sound of keyboards clacking or mechanical noise from the testing center's cooling systems. The digital interface itself also changes your workflow. The reading and listening sections now rely heavily on drag-and-drop mechanisms for matching questions. But this digital input offers a benefit. You click your answer directly. This removes the risk of answer sheet transfer errors that were common with the paper test. There is also a distinct timeline advantage. If you take the digital route, you will get your official results in 1 to 5 days instead of 13. Weighing the options. The computer environment delivers speed and mechanical accuracy, provided you are comfortable working through auditory and environmental distractions. That brings us to a pivotal decision: how you choose to execute the writing module. Typing offers a strategic advantage. In the final minutes, you can easily copy, paste, and restructure entire paragraphs without rewriting them. Contrast that with the writing on paper hybrid option. Here, you're required to use a black ballpoint pen, meaning you cannot use an eraser to clean up errors. If you realize you've made a structural mistake halfway through, a paper essay makes it much harder to fix those errors clearly. You also have to account for the 2026 template crackdown. Examiners are trained to identify responses relying on memorized scripts or placeholder topics. If an examiner flags your writing as substantially memorized, the current 2026 rubric requires them to cap your task response score at a band 4.0. Your choice of writing format affects your ability to edit, but relying on memorized shortcuts will penalize your score regardless of the medium you use. We also need to seriously consider the speaking module and the rapid expansion of the video call option within test centers. Video calls can offer a measurable psychological benefit for some, as they remove the pressure of sitting directly across from a physical examiner. However, this format requires a very specific technique. To maintain eye contact, you must look directly at the camera lens rather than at the examiner's face on your screen. Then there is the One Skill Retake feature. It allows you to retake a single section if you underperform, rather than repeating the entire exam. Note that you must retake the skill in the exact same medium as your original booking. If you chose a paper-based writing section, your retake must also be on paper. Video call speaking and One Skill retakes provide strategic safety nets, but they are only effective if you plan for them during your initial booking. To succeed in 2026, you must match your test configuration to your specific strengths. This decision flowchart maps your setup, starting with typing speed. If you type quickly and are comfortable with technology, you fit Profile 1, the optimizer. As an optimizer, book the full computer test. This unlocks rapid editing tools and ensures results within a 3-day window. Alternatively, if you are a slow typist or find testing center noise distracting, you fit Profile 2, the traditionalist. Traditionalists should select the hybrid option. You must practice writing with a black pen and no erasers to build structural discipline. Finally, if you experience a drop in fluency during physical interviews, you fit Profile 3, the anxious speaker. Anxious speakers should actively book test centers that offer the video call setup, which provides a psychological buffer from a face-to-face interview. The 2026 IELTS does not reward test-taking shortcuts or memorization. It rewards genuine English proficiency paired with a strategic understanding of the test's format.